Hello，大家好。上集好開心啦，我哋去咗一個好靚嘅菲洛港啊 Portofino 啦，喺意大利南部啦。咁我哋今日咧就係亦都係留翻喺意大利個南邊嘅海港嗰度啦，係將會到達咧係 Livorno 啊。咁 Livorno 呢度咧就將會如果乘坐個半小時車程咧，就可以去到咧 Tuscany 一個好靚嘅酒莊區嘅地方嘅。咁我哋咧先咧就係事先喺網上咧已經預約咗有book 咗一架 van 啦，我哋一行6人啦，就會坐個半小時車咧，就將會去 Tuscany 個酒莊區嗰邊嘅。我哋沿路啦，個司機都好好啊，佢好似充當埋導遊咁樣啦，就話俾我聽，哇，望下右邊好多 broccoli trees 啊，咁係當地嘅一啲好著名嘅一啲嘅松樹嚟嘅，個樣好似西蘭花，好得意啊！咁跟住我哋咧就會停一個 coffee shop 咧係小休嘅，然之後先至會去一個古鎮嗰度咧，係一個好靚嘅古鎮嘅景點嘅。Took a ride up to the jaw, so you go and brush your teeth, a little powder on your cheeks, and you feel a little better. This blue and green ball keeps spinning to the beat. You gotta try and move. 我哋大概坐咗1個小時多少少嘅車程啦，就去到一個古鎮啊，係 Chianti 嘅一個酒莊區嘅一個古鎮啦 Greve 嘅。呢度咧係有啲好得意、好特色嘅廣場啊，咁係好多影相位都係好靚嘅。我哋停留咗一陣Greve 個古鎮之後咧，跟住就揸翻車啦。司機咧就會帶我哋去我哋事先 book 咗一個酒莊，好期待，因為咧我哋係會有個 wine tour 啦，就再加一個咧係 food and wine pairing 嘅 lunch 嘅。呢個酒莊咧就挨喺一個山丘上邊啦，都係風景好優美嘅。咁沿路咧，我哋就 join 咗個 guided tour 啦，咁所以個導遊咧個酒莊入邊嘅導遊咧就會講解俾我哋聽好多關於呢個酒莊一啲歷史啦，同埋咧就係一陣會帶我哋咧入去 wine cellar 嗰度嘅。咁我都入咗去參觀咗佢嘅餐廳先，因為好期待一陣個 lunch 啊！Tuscany 呢度咧係好多酒莊，咁佢亦都好近Florence 啦，意大利城市 Florence 啦，所以咧都係一個好 popular 嘅酒莊區啦。咁我哋咧喺網上睇咗好多 review 啦，咁喺山丘上高呢一個酒莊啦 Verrazzano 呢度咧歷史悠久啦，咁同埋咧佢嘅口碑好好嘅，咁我哋咧所以就挑選咗佢啦。咁我哋 join 咗呢個guided tour 咧，真係好滿意嘅，因為個導遊咧係解釋得好好啦，咁同埋咧佢亦都會好詳細咁答我哋一啲嘅問題啊咁樣。咁我哋一陣咧亦都會入去個 wine cellar 嗰度去參觀嘅。 呢個酒莊咧，除咗係出產咧好出名嘅 Chianti Classico 嘅酒之外啦，咁佢亦都係會生產咧好多係 olive oil 咧同埋 balsamic vinegar 嘅，咁一陣我哋 lunch 嘅時候就可以試啦。我自己個人咧就好喜歡呢個酒莊呢一度個 lunch 啊，因為咧佢每一樣嘢咧都好 detail， 做得好認真啊。無論佢個 table setting 啦，或者佢每一道菜 pair with 個酒啦，都係好認真咁去做啊。咁我自己都好滿意啊。我自己咧亦都特別喜歡佢嗰個 balsamic vinegar 嗰個 tasting 啊，同個 cheese 真係好夾啊！本嚟諗住3個 course 嘅 pairing 啦，但係咧好似食咗好多嘢咁啊！最尾咧仲有可以試埋佢本地一個 dessert wine 啊！咁我哋跟住咧就去買嘢之後啦，我哋就會起程咧就去下一個景點㗎啦。
Close your eyes, take a breath, let it flow. Leave the worries, let the sunlight glow. Every step brings me closer, I know. I found a place where my heart feels whole.
跟住咧好近車程嘅啫，我哋就去到一個好出名喺 Chianti 呢個區域裏邊咧好出名嘅一個古村啊、古鎮啊，咁咧就係San Gimignano 啊，咁佢呢一度咧就係一個世界文化遺產嚟嘅，裏邊咧係可以好似一個圍城咁樣啦，行咗入去之後咧，呢度係最出名咧係有14座唔同嘅塔啊，咁係可以，亦都有啲 cathedral 啊喺入邊，咁你可以慢慢參觀嘅。
Ocean waves sing a melody, dancing barefoot, the ground under me. Every heartbeat feels like a song. Right where I am, I know I belong. When the noise gets loud, I just tune it out. The joy within wash away my doubt. Every breath I take, I can finally say I'm okay. I found my way.
我哋跟住咧就喺入邊咧食咗一個咧被譽為全宇宙最強嘅 gelato 啊，好多人排隊㗎。我哋參觀完個世界文化遺產古鎮之後啦，我哋翻上船，跟住咧我哋好感恩啊，因為咧之前一晚我哋同 Silvernook 嘅大廚傾偈嘅時候咧，問我哋好掛住亞洲嘢食啊，咁佢咧可 offer 我哋咧係可以咧今晚咧就會煮特別咧喺 Silvernook 嗰度咧特別炮製泰菜俾我哋食㗎。 住 next day 咧就將會係 C day 嚟嘅，咁我哋咧就喺自己房間度食咗個簡單嘅早餐之後咧，跟住就四圍行啦，enjoy 下個隻船啦。咁我哋咧就亦都預計咗咧，諗住咧係因為今日咧係特別喺 Atlanta 嗰度咧係有個 special brunch 嘅，咁我哋就去喺嗰度食 lunch 嘅。
Enjoy every moment, always smile. Even if your heart needs time, joy can start small, start mild. Enjoy every moment, always smile. Enjoy every moment, always smile. I don't ignore what hurts inside. I just won't let it drive my life. One laugh, one breath, one song. That's how I keep moving on. Enjoy every moment, always smile. Enjoy every moment, always smile. Enjoy every moment.
食完個 lunch 啦，咁就要消耗咗佢啦，咁就喺隻船度周圍行啦，咁跟住我就去咗一個 cigar room 嗰度啊，咁對裏邊咧都個氣氛咧都幾好 comfy 啦，咁只係見到有一位喺度食緊 cigar 嘅啫，咁我唔騷擾佢啦。咁跟住咧我就去咗上邊deck 10嗰度啦，就喺個 library 出邊嗰度咧就飲下嘢去relax 一下啦。之後咧我哋就準備咧一陣咧係happy hour， 我會去聽下歌先，然之後咧就會同埋朋友一齊咧就會喺 La Terranza 嗰度咧係諗住係食佢嘅意大利菜嘅，因為 La Terranza 日頭咧就將會係 buffet 嘅，咁但係夜晚咧就會變身做係一個fine dining 嘅 Italian 嘅。For some reason 咧，Silver Ray 上高啲餐房咧有啲幾難 book 嘅喎，咁 La Terranza 呢個咧係其中一間咧係需要 book 嘅 restaurant 啦，咁我哋都有啲期望去 fine dining Italian， 咁但係咧去到嘅時候咧，因為佢啲 service 咧就令我哋有啲失望，因為我哋6個人啲 order 咧係會搞到亂晒。咁後尾個經理就出嚟補償，我哋就請我哋即係食咗龍蝦一個 dish 啦咁樣。咁 anyway， 咁我哋都盡興啦，因為我哋志在咧就係朋友一齊傾偈開心去食一餐飯咁樣啦。我哋咧就好舒服咁過咗一個 C day 之後啦，下一個港口咧就將會去 Salerno 啊，就係 Amalfi Coast 好出名嘅 Amalfi Coast 嗰度咧係出產好多檸檬，而嗰啲檸檬咧係好厚皮嗰隻檸檬，係我嚟做 limoncello 噶。如果大家喜歡我條片嘅咧，就歡迎按個 like、分享同 subscribe 我個 channel， 撳埋隔離鐘仔，我下次出片嘅時候大家就會知道噶啦。下集見啦，多謝收看啦，拜拜。